everyone, welcome to Painting with Elise. I hope you've been enjoying your watercolour and practicing and just enjoying this journey of creativity. Today I'm going to be painting a scene that I took a photo of when our family went out on a new boat. So that was pretty exciting. We've got a new boat. And seeing as we can't travel anywhere or go anywhere, we thought, well, why don't we just enjoy the beautiful Auckland harbour? And so we bought a boat, and we went out very early on the other day, and it was just a beautiful sky, completely calm water, and I took this photo and I thought, oh gosh, it's so beautiful. So I'm just going to do a really mini little painting today of this scene, and I hope you just enjoy watching along as I paint it. So enjoy. Okay, well that's all done now, and I have to say I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. I love the colors, and I love the reflections, and just the peaceful nature of it. I've pretty much only used 3 colors for this whole painting. I've used cobalt blue, and I've used pyrol orange. And when you use pyrol orange very delicately, you get this beautiful peachy color. And I've also used a bit of neutral tint and some ultramarine blue in the ripples here. And you might have seen me using the fan brush. That was just a dry fan brush. Like this is great for blending, because sometimes you get a bit of feathering from the watercolor when you add other colors, but if you just gently brush with the fan brush, that just makes them all melt in together and blend nicely. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Do let me know if you'd like me to paint anything specific, and I will do my best to do that for you. All right, you take care now. All the best.